2017 F350 Superduty Lariat just rolled in. This truck's riding on American Force 24-inch wheels, deep offset fronts, 37-inch tires, BDS suspension lift, coil-over suspension, Fox shocks, Fox reservoirs. It also has the Recoil traction bars by BDS, which are a floating style bar so that they're not rigid mounted. Still effective, but they don't make all the clunking noise, and they're not so harsh on the rear end of the truck. We were actually one of the first companies to install these when BDS first released them up in the off-road shop. Very clean truck, platinum pearl white. Not the first mark, nick, or ding that I have noticed yet. Color matched mirrors, color matched badges, color matched bumpers. Custom headlights, tinted windows, power folding steps, and a loaded interior. Panoramic sunroof, factory navigation stereo, auxiliary switches, rear view camera, of course no rust, retraxs bed cover, spray and bed liner, smoked tail lights, fifth wheel and gooseneck provisions in the bed, very, very clean truck. This truck looked good in pictures when we purchased it, but in person, this truck is extremely, extremely nice. 53,000 miles, I believe. And it needs nothing. Still practical for towing. Set up just about ideal for getting good looks, but still a usable truck. A couple other cool dualies have arrived as well, including a CXT. Raptor just rolled in recently. A couple more dualies over here. A couple platinum Super Duties. New lifted Silverado. Probably had close to 12 to 15 trucks roll in the last 3 to 4 days. And a good stock of rollbacks are back in. So, and bucket trucks, dump trucks, a couple campers and RVs. Work vans galore. Challenger. Another Challenger over there. New C8 Corvette. Golf cart, couple Corvettes. Anyway, no matter what you fancy, we should have it covered. Give us a call, Davis Auto Sales, or jump on the website at any time. Thanks for watching.